Thank you so much.
Nein, no, nein.
just knocked off from work, and yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I didn't do any introduction. So this is your girl Charisma. So I just knocked off from work, like I said, and I got myself Arabic perfume. Yeah. There's this store next to Renbeck Square. It's a new store. They sell Arabic perfumes. So I just came in like, okay, let me unbox with you guys. So let's just do the unboxing right away. So guys, this is the bag, and this is the box. So you can just screenshot, because I'm not gonna pronounce this name, never. So let's unbox. I already unboxed without you guys because I was excited. I wanted to see the inside part. So this is how it looks like. And just like that, we have this cute little mommy over here. She smells so good. Tell you what, if you smell like this, you smell super expensive. So I really love her. So yeah, like I said, this is a maintenance vlog, so I really spoiled myself this October. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. It's just like that is the end of the vlog. See you guys on my episode number 3. Love you guys so much. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, engage you. Let's reach 1K on this Vlogtober. Okay, thank you guys so much for the love. Bye. Toodles.